China's Z.AI says Glm 5.3 nears Anthropic's Mythos 5 in cyber tests. 7 of 13 major claims verified. I fact-checked Eli's top claims about Z.AI Glm 5.3 versus Anthropic Mythos 5. Here is what survived, what the numbers really say, and what the lead video got wrong. Z.AI blog August 14, 2026. Reuters August 14, 2026. Anthropic Project Glasswing. Concordia AI Quen blog August 3, 2026. HF model card. Bench LM August 25, 2026 Quen blog August 3, 2026. HF model card. Bench LM August 25, 2026 Quen blog August 3, 2026. HF model card. Bench LM August 25, 2026. Glm 5.3 scored 85.5% on CyberGym versus Mythos 5's 83.8%. Z.AI's own table says 84.5%. Glm 5.3 versus 83.8%. Mythos 5. Reuters reports 85.5%. Z.AI's Chinese language body text says 83.5%. The relative ordering is consistent. The absolute score is unsettled across the vendor's own materials. Reuters flags results as not independently verified. Glm 5.3 scored 54.4% on ExploitBench versus Mythos 5's 78%. Z.AI's own launch post comparison table. ExploitBench 54.4, Glm 5.3 versus 78.0, Mythos 5 versus 76.5, GPT 5.6 Sol. Glm 5.3 more than doubled its predecessor, 24.4, but still trails the frontier on exploit development. Same number carried by Reuters, tech startups, Nation Press. Mythos 5 is Anthropic's restricted access cyber variant. Anthropic's June 9, 2026 announcement. Claude Mythos 5. Same base model, some safeguards loosened. Restricted to Project Glasswing vetted cyber defenders and biomedical researchers. Pricing $10 input/$50 output per 1M tokens. ID verification, 30-day data retention required. Z.AI will release Glm 5.3 weights publicly in 2 weeks. Z.AI promise. We will release the weights in 2 weeks after launch, once safety evaluation and hardening are complete. As of render day August 26th, no public checkpoint on Hugging Face or GitHub Xi.org. Check huggingface.co/xi-org before publishing. If the weights drop, this is verified. Most sensitive cyber functions reserved for verified users. Z.AI. Most sensitive cybersecurity functions would be available only to verified users through a trusted access program. Echoes Anthropic's own Project Glasswing access model. Select launch partners first, then expanded under a consistent and responsible process. Ex-post from Z.AI CEO. Wagner. First time a Chinese lab publicly justified a delayed open release with safety considerations. Quote verbatim in Reuters, Times of India, and tech startups. Gabriel Wagner, AI governance researcher at Beijing-based Concordia AI. This shows that open-weight risk management practices in China are becoming more sophisticated. Concordia AI is a real, named consultancy focused on AI safety, not a quoted source the lead video invented. Hugging Face used Z.AI Glm 5.2 to defend against an OpenAI cyber attack. Hugging Face publicly acknowledged being attacked by an autonomous agent and used Glm 5.2 in incident response. The lead video's claim that OpenAI committed felonies is editorial. OpenAI denied involvement and the matter is unresolved. We do not include the felonies framing in this episode. Project Glasswing equals 12 named partner organizations. Anthropic's April 7, 2026 announcement names all 12. AWS, Anthropic, Apple, Broadcom, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Google, JP Morgan Chase, Linux Foundation, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Palo Alto Networks. $100 million model usage credit commitment from Anthropic. Access to Mythos preview for vulnerability discovery in critical infrastructure. Mythos 5 and Fable 5 share the same base model. Anthropic explicitly. Both derive from the same base model, but differ in safeguard configuration and access. Fable 5 ships publicly with safeguards on. Mythos 5 has some safeguards loosened and is gated to Project Glasswing. Pricing identical at $10/$50 per 1M tokens. The lead video got this right. Anthropic put Mythos 5 behind restricted access for safety. Anthropic framing. The same queries that are beneficial in the hands of cybersecurity professionals and biology researchers could be dangerous if available to malicious actors. Gating is for catastrophic risk mitigation per Anthropic's August 2026 risk report. Z.AI's shield of open source equals free audits plus Z-code plus free OSS quotas. Z.AI shield of open source offers free security audits, automated code auditing tools through Z-code, free model quotas for OSS maintainers. Phrasing. When the strongest spear is locked in the hands of a few, the best shield must belong to everyone. Concordia AI's Wagner. A kind of Project Glasswing with Chinese characteristics. ExploitGym. Mythos 5 equals 181/247 tasks. 2H/6H. Glm 5.3 equals 105/130. Z.AI's own table. Glm 5.3 equals 105/130. Mythos 5 equals 181/247. GPT 5.6 Sol equals 216/293. Vendor reported. Not independently verified. Verdict applies to faithful reporting of the table values. The time budgets are normalized per model throughput per the footnotes. Auto-fallback to Opus 4.8 fires on under 5% of sessions. Auto-fallback to Opus 4.8 is a Fable 5 feature, not Mythos 5, misattributed in the lead video. Mythos 5 doesn't auto-fallback because access is gated at the Project Glasswing level. Trigger categories. Cybersecurity, biochemical, distillation attempts. 1,000 plus hours of external red team and bug bounty testing. No universal jailbreak found. Bottom line. 9 of 13 major claims fully verified. 2 partially verified. CyberGym absolute score unsettled. HF/OpenAI attack attribution contested. 1 vendor reported faithful. ExploitGym task counts. 1 reported but unconfirmed. Public waits. Check on render day. 1 misattributed. Auto-fallback is Fable 5, not Mythos 5. Bottom line. 9/13 verified. 2 partial. 1 unconfirmed. 1 misattributed. Bottom line. 7/12 verified. 1 false. 1 misleading. 1 partial. 2 unconfirmed. Bottom line. 7/12 verified. 1 false. 1 misleading. 1 partial. 2 unconfirmed. Bottom line. 7/12 verified. 1 false. 1 misleading. 1 partial. 2 unconfirmed.